Hi, I am Sangeeta from Jiten Pyramid Center, Dadar. Since we have completed 18 years successfully and today is Gudi Padwa and we are very happy and excited to help you with a new and innovative concept that is into the form of this ebook, how to use Jiten Pyramid into a digital format. This idea came to us on demand and on request made by many astrologers, numerologists, tarot card readers and healers across the globe has requested us that please can you make something available in a very simplified and easy way so that we can understand the procedure and the implementations of pyramids and apply it and see and experience the result for ourselves, for our clients, for our customers. So we were researching, we were thinking that how do we help these people, and not only for astrologers, Vastu consultant, but also for a person who is searching for some solution in any area of their life, whether it is health, wealth, education of their kids, concentration, harmony in any relationship into their life. These aspects are covered into this book into digital format. With this book is available with us at Jiten Pyramid Center, Dadar, Mumbai into ebook format. So to access this, to get this copy, please WhatsApp on the given number on the screen. You will get your ebook. The cost of this ebook is very nominal, which is value for money, that is only 120 rupees for a limited time. And once you get the access of your ebook, then as you can look, there are many different products and the uses are mentioned over here, and there is a buy now button. So once you go and click on this buy now button, you will get the coupon code and you can access your purchase from there. And the discount on this product is only 18% since we have completed 18 years of our company. And this 18% discount on the product after purchasing the ebook is valid for a very short time. So I would like to make a request to all of you, those who are hearing me out and watching me now, please spread this knowledge, share this information to maximum people you know, and this Gudi Padwa you want to impact their life positively. Bring abundance, fortune, happiness into your friends, your relatives, your family members' life. So what are you waiting for? Please WhatsApp today to get your e-copy and start your journey by creating miracles into your life with pyramids. Thank you.